Right. Gonna try a challenge. Cicada challenge by Bob. Can't remember the last name. I'm gonna have to say it up at the bench. I got his name up there. But Bob, we're gonna try this for you. Give it a shot. Hold up, let me get loaded. All right. This is the Cicada challenge by Bob Dobalena. Dobalenas? Dobalenas? I don't know. Bob, I wish I did. Bob, if you're on YouTube, get a hold of me. Anyway, we're going to try this. I got this from Boomstick. So it looks like a really cool challenge. And we're going to try it with the SK pistol match through the CZ457. And it's got levels. So certain rows are ×2 or ×3. And I think that last row, which is 2. There's only 2. Anyway, if you hit those, it's ×10. So there's 280 points available on this target. Of course, we want all 280. Will we get them? Probably not, but we're going to try. Let's give it a go. Thanks, Bob, for the target. Hope you're watching. I don't know how I can tag you in the video, but maybe Boomstick will tell you that I made it. But anyway, we're going to give this a shot. Looks fun. I don't see, is there ciders on there, Bob? Nope. I don't think so. Are the top 2 ciders? No. Okay, we'll take a couple ciders off. Target. Pistol match. Well, I'll put the other video in the front of this, but yeah, all the stuff I tried, Ely, Contact, Wolf Match Extra, sucked. Sucks in everything I own. Tried some Black Box TAC 22, it sucked. Through here, and we just went right to pistol match, and I think I put 4 bullets through the same hole and one outside. I'll get a picture of it if I remember, but let's take a couple ciders and try not to make my videos are 20 minutes long. I don't know why I talk too much, but let's see where we're hitting. Low, maybe. Low, let's go with 1. Is that 4? So right. I'm gonna have to use a little Idaho windage. Don't know if you ever heard of it. We only use it in Idaho. All right. I think, oh, there's also, you hit the body or something, there's certain points. We'll bring it down and score it, but everything else, oh, this, I can read it. 5 points for the body, 2 points for all other parts. Yep. All right. We want body hits. All right, Bob. Here we go. Nice. Second row. Ooh, that's a wing. Come on now. Headshot. Body. Out there. Okay, now we're getting serious. Those just went. That's like half the size right there. Okay. Whew. Oh, the 2 rows are the same size there. Ooh, that went way over the wing. That's a miss. Come on. Okay, what's going on? You can see my heart beating in the scope. Oh my god, paint is on the mic. Sorry about that. It's my hound dog. Let me move that. And that's why my videos are always 12 minutes long. Don't know how much this will pick up here. We'll try it. I might have just got powder. Okay, I think we got the butt of that. Okay. Ooh, that was me. That's a miss. This is kind of intimidating. Nice target. I like it. Slick. I like SK. Love it. Okay. Where are we at? That was way off. I don't know if that's a miss. I need to plug it. Oh, that was not me. Okay. SK's falling off on me. That's a wing though. I held over there because I thought put me in the body. It might have, but I don't think so. Now they're small. We're in trouble. This is fun. I like this one. How's my flag up there? Okay. Now I don't know where we're at, so. Ooh, headshot. Nice. Those are the ones that are, because each row down goes, you know, times something. And the further down you go, the more times you get. So, yeah, we need to hit all of these. Ready, Boomer? Here we go. Ricochet. I don't know what it's ricocheting off of because it's going over the hill. We own all that property over the hill, so somebody's over there. It's their own ass. It's a wing. This, I like this one. This is cool. Very stressful. How it should be. And now we're hitting right again. Okay. Wow, that was way right. That was not me. Come on. Yep, I held over. Got the body. Okay. Oh, those are smaller. Oh. Yeah. Total miss. All right, Mr. Bob. I think that was a pretty good showing of your target. We'll bring that down and score it. Thank you for sharing. Glad I got a copy. It was very fun. We'll bring it down and find out what we got. Come on, Boomer.
All right, Bob. This is what happened. We were doing pretty good up there. And then come down, hit some wings. Or one wing there, and got the bodies on those. Totally missed that. Got the butt end of that. Got some wings there. That one, if you plug it, it's hitting the butt. So not too good out of 280 points. We're going to do it again, Bob. This was fun. I like this one. We got a 171. We were using the CZ 457 SK pistol match. And that's how it went. We're going to do this again. Alright, thanks for the target, Bob. Later.